grease popping and shit in here. Girl, I just did a skip and a hop. What's up YouTube, it's your girl Kylie. Welcome back to a brand new YouTube video. And today, as you can tell by the title, we are doing a cooking challenge. And I have my beautiful guest right here, Miss
Ari.
Yes, God, honey. So today we're gonna be doing the cooking challenge and we're gonna be frying some chicken. And we both chose our own sides. My sides are, well, it's macaroni and cheese. Ari, what are your sides?
Chicken Alfredo and cornbread.
Child, and this girl swears she can cook, y'all. Take a look at this clip right here.
And then this is what it's looking like. I'm very concerned.
Is it? These do not look right. This look like somebody's elbow. I don't know.
Y'all see, the girl didn't even know how to put fucking flour on chicken, girl, in the air fryer. But you claim you know how to cook.
I was following a
but
recipe
anywho,
for the video.
We have the man of God and his friend here, and they gonna be our taste testers to determine who fried chicken was better and whose size is good. Yeah. So, without further ado, make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe on the road to 2K. And let's hop into the video. First thing first, we got our macaroni elbow noodles. We have triple cheddar cheese, and then we have 2 bags of sharp cheddar cheese and a block of Velveeta. So I'm gonna cut up this cheese and boil these noodles, and then we are going to put the cheese onto the macaroni. I'm gonna call it back when it's time for me to put the sharp and the cheddar and all the things on there. So I'm gonna continue to stir my cheese until it's about melted and these noodles, and I'll call y'all back once it's time to pour everything into the pan.
He got me stirring his stuff because he went to go get sage. So if his food come out good and they like this better than my stuff for whatever weird reason, because everybody might be being weird for whatever weird reason, it's because of me. My special touch that he don't know I just did to this food. You welcome. And if it's nasty, I ain't do nothing to it, I promise. I'm just stirring it like you said.
So guys, Sage just got here. Hello. So Sage is here for the festivities. I am finishing up on this. Ari, she stirred my the cheese and stuff for me while I had to go pick up
damn, why you tell me? I would have brought my mother.
What I do? Sage, what I do?
And I did everything for you!
5 months! 5 months, and this is what I get?
Oh my goodness.
Bitch, when he said his first word, we all was like, and I was like, I hate that because I feel your emotion.
Hey guys, so I have finished stuffing the mac and cheese. And now the oven just finished preheating the 400. And so now we are going to put her in there. We're going to put her in there for 20 minutes. And so I'll call y'all back afterwards.
No, it's two on top of this.
Hey, Ted.
It's nasty for real.
I don't even like red wine, to be honest.
Aaron, this cornbread look real light, girl.
I know I had got only one. Can you take it out too, please?
Mashed potatoes, how she was standing over here like,
Pissed.
I don't know, Darius.
No shade.
I swear.
I would still taste it though.
I'm gonna say y'all can't do that because then it end up, you know, just y'all not even gonna know though. That's what I'm excited about to see, like how y'all gonna like eat.
Mind your business, okay? I know what I'm doing.
What the hell are you doing?
I'm gonna season my chicken.
You need to cut that piece of fat off.
Yeah.
Sorry. Never mind. Let me stop.
That little turkey neck.
That shit was bothering me. I'm sorry. I'm just gonna shut my fat ass up.
Yeah, I can go back on the couch. Like,
This is interesting. I want to be the judge of the cook-off. Like, bitch, I'm the judge. Come judge for me. Come judge for me.
okay, I need bye. It's too many eyes. No, bye.
The pressure.
Baby,
Bye.
go.
Bye. The hell? Trace, get out my kitchen.
Who's next on the blunt?
Me.
I think you.
Oh, it's me, baby.
I'm about to say, I
Oh.
think it's Trace.
Hello guys, this is my chicken right here. Ooh, I dropped it.
There's a lot of brown pieces, that's the thing. I don't think we should eat
Bae.
that.
Bae.
Yeah, like it's all brown. Literally.
How is it?
I just don't so much of a way. I would be
How is
like,
it?
that's disgusting.
No.
It's kind of pissing me off.
It's sweet.
He's trying to be a judge.
That's not bad. I'll eat it. I'll eat some more of it.
Do you like it?
I'll eat some more of it.
Is it good? Is the question.
I was gonna do it with a fork, but I can do it.
How is it?
Bitch, you did something with Velveeta, okay?
I told you, girl.
Put my hair down.
Girl, Aaron got grease popping and shit in here. Girl, I just did a skip and a hop. Ari, you sure you know how to cook, girl? Cut it off.
Everybody just give me 5 seconds and walk down. I'm not to cut it off right now.
It's starting to smell like burnt shit.
This is the fried chicken. I'm about to get ready to put some lemon papa on her. And then Ari is finishing up her chicken over there. And, and then we will be doing the taste test.
It's the same one.
Yeah.
Like a perfect crisp.
Which side is which?
Perfect seasoning.
Okay, what's
and then
that?
this one on my
I think I'm confused.
I'm not.
I
And
hope
then
not.
this one.
How's that?
This one's giving. Oh,
Good.
How's that, babe?
I don't know if this is a hot
They
sauce.
taste the same.
One got his hit. This got his hit too. This one.
What?
I feel the same. I like the hot sauce on both.
I just dipped it in there.
Okay, hold on.
Let me eat it without. Let me eat it without my hot
I mean, no
sauce.
hot sauce.
Let me drink the hot sauce.
This one's saltier.
How's that?
This one's saltier, but they're both really good. I ain't gonna lie.
How's that?
Yeah, this one's saltier.
The drum was more saltier, but the flat more lemon peppier.
Okay.
Are we giving them like a scale 1 out of 10?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you can.
I ain't gonna hold it.
They're both good.
I get both. Yeah, I get both of them. Like,
I give them an 8. 9.
why won't you give it a 10?
Okay, it's 10.
Why?
Antonio, what would you rate it?
I know I could do it better. You know,
I would give.
I'm so honest. You have some ranch.
I give this one like a 8, 8.5,
And what about the other one?
a 9.
Mm-hmm.
So who had the other one?
I had the 8.5. I'm sorry. Okay, you guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe on the road to 2K. If you want to see more cooking challenges with me and Ari, even though she had a little mishap, child, almost blew up the house. But, you know, I'll see you guys for the next video. Bye!